Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Vascular Auto Repairs. You like that pause, don't you? Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. If you recall, this is a 2006 GMC Yukon Denali, the Envoy. Actually, it's a GMC Envoy XL Denali with a 5.3. And if you recall, last time we was here, the customer took it to a few places and they told him he needed an engine. He got a quote, it was like $2,000 to do this engine. We checked it out, diagnosed it, got up underneath with me. I took you with me, and we saw that the bolts on the flywheel was out. Was actually 3/4 of the way out. So what we're going to do is we're going to jack it up, and we're going to tighten these bolts up. And I'm going to show you an access panel to get to those bolts without removing the starter. And thanks to Manic Mechanic 007, gave me a tip, and I forgot, and good thing he did. He said, don't forget to put thread lock on there. So I had to stop by the store and get some thread lock. Thread lock, to yours who don't know what thread lock is, to avoid situations like this, you put a little thread lock on the threads, tighten them up, that thing will not come out. And you got to be careful of what kind of thread lock you use, because some of them are so strong, even on the package, they try to be funny, but they say it would take an act of God to get this thing loose. Things really hold together. So you better be careful what you use when you use that stuff. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to jack this up, get this thing on jack stands, secured, and then we're going to take you up under there and we're going to take care of this. We'll be right back. Alright, here we go. You can see I got this thing on my head. These gnats are killing me out here, man. I just took something, just wrapped it around. Alright, we got our car jacked up. Now when you got your car on jack stands, on the ground, on the dirt, you want to make sure you put a piece of wood to have as a foundation. Because if not, that jack stand is going to sink right in that ground, and this is a big vehicle to be dropping down on you. And on the other side, you can see right in between here, we got it on two 2x4s, so that's solid. And I'm going to leave the jack right over here. All right, let's get our light. Let's get up under there. We got our cardboard set up and all. Let's get up under there and see what we got. We'll be right back. All right, here we go. We got our cardboard out here. We got our light. Let's get up under here. Let me show you what we got here. Now, looking at the back, here's the side of the engine right here. And I'm looking back right there. You see that? That's a shield. An inspection cover, and hopefully that cover, I can take that off and we can see those converter bolts. So what we're going to do is go up under here and okay, there's a bolt there, just right here, and it looks like we've got a 10mm bolt right here. So let's get us a 10mm and take that off. Right back. Alright, I got here a 10mm deep 3/8 drive socket with my 3/8 drive swivel head ratchet. So let's get over here. Take this off. Damn it. Figure this thing was loose already. Alright, let's see if this bolt is loose enough to come out my hand. There we go. Alright, already you can see that whole cover shaking.
I'm trying to get this juggle so we can see it real good.
Alright, got the bolt out. There's the cover. Now, dang it, man. That ain't gonna be good enough because I can feel the bolt right inside here. So it's like, yeah, I can see it, man. That is definitely not gonna be good enough. Damn it. That's solid metal. This is stupid. There ain't no
You know where you just took the cover from?
Uh-huh.
You think you could just bump the starter until you hit to the bottom, right? Now go down.
Right here?
Right there.
Nope, because that thing will be inside there. There's no way I'll be able to get in there. Man, if we have to remove this starter, it's gonna suck. Nope, you see it right there. Alright, guys, we'll be right back. We're gonna see if we got a better access to this. We'll be right back. Alright, we're gonna go over here to the other side. We'll see another cover right here below the starter. And it looks like a 10mm bolt right there. So what I got is my 10mm deep with my 4-inch 3/8 drive extension, and we're gonna come out back this way like this, just like that. See that? And we're gonna get that bolt out, drop that cover, and hopefully we can see these converter bolts then. All right, let me get my ratchet here. I'm using my swivel ratchet again. Hey, this thing is loose already. Oh, there it is. All right, let's get that bolt out and we'll be right back. All right, I got the bolt out. See if this cover slides out of there. It's definitely loose. Thing is probably back by the starter. Back this out of the way. Let me get some more gloves on. I'll be right back. All right, as you can see, this plastic cover is right up here. So, and it's hooked up around the starter. So we're gonna have to take this starter out. We're gonna have to drop this, let this starter hang. So what we're gonna do is disconnect the negative battery terminal, and then we're gonna get these bolts taken out. Be right back. All right, here we go. We got our two 13mm bolts holding in the starter. So what I got here is a 9.5-inch extension, and I got a 13mm swivel 3/8 drive socket on the end. And what I'm going to do here, let's try to get this light up here. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is get the one over here. Try to get that on. There we go. Got that on. Now I'm going to go ahead and loosen that up. Be right back. Alright, we got the one, got my 3/8 drive ratchet. Let's pop that bolt loose. Now, we're not going to take the starter completely out. We just need this to start to drop down and get out the way. Okay, there's one bolt. Move the transmission lines out of the way a little bit. Got one. Now the second one is right on the other side of it. The second one is right here. Okay. Alright, you can see the starter starting to drop down. Alright, we'll be right back when I get this bolt out. Alright, we got the starter drop down. The only thing I want to do is back the starter up and let it hang down just like that. Now we can remove this shield right here. And now we're going to be able to see those bolts. I can't see them yet because we got to turn the converter.
Man, I forgot to get the power bar.
And, oh, that's right. And what we're going to do here Let's try to set you up on an angle where you'll be able to see this. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, check this out. I'm from this angle now. I got the camera. And what I want to see if you can see back there, we can see the flywheel. We took the starter out. All right, go ahead. The cameraman's going to turn the flywheel until we can get a bolt. And there it is coming up. Keep going, keep going. Guys, you see that bolt, right? Yeah. Keep going till it clears. Right there. Hold a little bit more. Right there. All right, we can see the bolt right there, guys. Check it out, but that don't give us no room whatsoever. Man, that's why these bolts are so loose. There ain't no room in there to do anything. All right, we're gonna see if we can get something to tighten that up. We'll be right back. All right, guys, check this out. I got my long extension with a 14mm swivel, and we in there, but it's tight. I mean, I'm coming with saying, and it's tight. So we're gonna see, cause I mean, this thing is hitting up against the transmission, the oil pan, and everything. I want to take these bolts out and put Loctite on it, but I'm in a bad position. So I'm gonna see if I can tighten this up and see see what can happen. Be right back. All right, I'm gonna see if I can show you guys. Can you run this hand right here and hold the camera right here, right there. I'm as tight as I can go, but I don't think I think these bolts are too long they put in here. Let me see if I am really tight, man.
Back it out then.
Huh? Cause I don't know if I'm All right, guys, we'll be right back. All right, guys, check this out. You can see that thing starting to be kind of oblong right there. Let me see if I can get in there and see that. It's starting to wear out the flywheel. Been going on for so long. And bad part about it, I know these ain't the bolts supposed to be in here. These are not the bolts. So we're gonna go in there. We're gonna see if we can find some bolts that look like shorter ones. And try to get these up in there and put some Loctite on it. Be right back. All right, guys, check this out. This is the bolt somebody stuck in there, and I just happen to have some old converter bolts, and this is what's going on, man. The bolts they put in there were way too long. It was bottoming out against the converter. So now we're gonna use these short bolts, and we only got two. So hopefully, while we do when we get to the other two, we can find one good one. And what I got here is some thread locker. And what we're gonna do here, dang man, I step in some dookie. Dang, I damn sure did. Be right back. I got to clean my food off. All right, we're gonna get a little thread locker, put it around the thread just like that. We're gonna get that bolt up in there. I still smell that dookie, man. I stepped in some dookie, man. Some nasty stuff too. Son of a. All right, we'll be right back. All right, see what I did, guys? I got my 9/16 swivel. This thing is very tight to get into, and there we gotta go up there. So let me get my long extension here, and the cameraman is gonna, Billy Bob is gonna guide this up there, and hopefully we get this thread started. You ready?
Yeah.
Put your hands out the way, man, so I can see. Put it around. Oh, I can get you. I'm just gonna try to hold the camera at the same time. Right there.
Yep.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna have to put you down for a second so I can
Hold on, let me see. I get it.
Huh? You got it right there? Hold it right there. Alright. I can't tell if I'm lined up or not, so
yeah, it's going.
It's going?
Yeah.
Get that. Alright, let's tighten that one up. All right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go till it stops. And right now it's tightening up right now. So what Billy Bob got to do, he's going to put a, I'll hold this for you. He's going to put the screwdriver into the flywheel to hold it in place so I can really get some torque on this. Ready? So, yeah, you got to go like that. Like you.
Oh, crap. All right.
All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to put you down for a second while we tighten this up. All right, we got one tightened up. Put the light up there, man, so I can see. All right, now I got to somehow get my ratchet off of here now because we put a piece of paper in there. Dang it, it just came off. All right, we got one. Now we're gonna go around and get to the second one. So as you can see, he's gonna turn the flywheel. Here, I got the light. And we'll be right back with the next bolt. All right, there's our second bolt. It looks like it's another long one too, but we got to bring that up enough so we can get in there with this extension.
No, it might be short there.
Here, hold it. I think we're gonna have to go up more though.
Yeah, I think so. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys, and while he's gonna line that up, I'm gonna show you what I'm using here in case you gotta remove this and all. I got my 9/16 swivel socket, 1/2 inch drive, then I got a reducer, 1/2 inch or 3/8, and I got the 9.5 inch extension and about a 2-foot extension, and I'm all the way back here.
Alrighty.
As you can see, I'm like right, huh?
I think it's a 15.
It's a 15.
Keep turning. It might lock. Yeah, this gotta be a 15.
Man, they put all kind of bolts here, man. Oh, wait a minute, you too high. Go back a little bit. All right, let us get this set up, and we'll be right back. All right, funny guys, this one bolt right here is a 15 millimeter, and the funny part about it, I'm able to tighten that up. This thing was really loose. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna back this bolt out, and Billy Bob is gonna try to. You think you can get in there and squeeze some thread sealer in there and tighten and get that in so I can tighten it up?
Yeah.
All right, so that's what we're gonna do with 15 millimeter. I'm gonna back it up. He's gonna squeeze some up in there, and we're gonna tighten that back up. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, that's the second one. All right, let's go around there and get to the third bolt. We're gonna swing it around, get to the third one, and we'll be right back. All right, we got the third one out. Look how long this bolt is, man. And here's the original. Here's one of the converter bolts. So we're gonna put a little thread locker on that and get that bolt up in there. Be right back. All right, you can see up in there, we got it started, and you can see the thread locker on it. And I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna tighten this bolt up. Be right back. All right, we got to get that little plastic out of there. We use that plastic to hold that bolt into the socket. All right, guys and girls, now what we're gonna do is let's put this starter back in this little shield. We're gonna start this thing up. All right, we'll be right back. All right, let's get this started. You know, check this out. You see this right here? And see, this is how messed up. Now y'all saw how Billy Bob get down last night, right? You see them footprints in there, right? That's mine. And then later on, he tell me to watch out for it. Like you couldn't tell me. You couldn't tell me before I stepped in it. He wanted me to walk around and dookie on my foot, and then tell me.
Well, I made sure you didn't step in it twice.
He ain't no good. Yo, and you thinking if he treat me this way, you know.
I mean, hell, excuse me, cussing. That's just like, well, y'all gotta forgive me for this one too. That's just like when you let that dog piss on me and then you laughed at me and told me. Oh
yeah. A dog peed on him. You should have stayed there, man. All right, let's start this up. Now, yesterday this guy did say something about, could we check out his oil pressure light down, and I asked him what kind of oil he used. He uses 530. How many miles on this car anyway?
It's over 100,000.
This thing got 240 change engine oil. I just saw 240,000 miles, 241,000 miles, and he's still using 520. Guys, you can't do that. You gotta step up on the thing. Let's listen to this now. Matter of fact, you want to go up under the engine and just tell me when to start it.
100,000 miles. He's supposed to go ahead straight.
1040, he be at 1040, right? He be at 2050.
I'm going straight to 30 weight. Give it time to break in. All right, go ahead.
All right, there you go, guys. But we can see this thing, it's got a misfire. Huh? So I guess that's going to be the next thing that I fix. Get that misfire fixed. But that noise ain't there no more. Look at that misfire. And this thing got the coils and wires. Oh well. Alright, I'm going to shut this down, let the car down, and we'll be right back. Alright guys and girls, there you have it. Car still got a misfire, but that noise went away. We definitely saved this guy an engine. Man, these gnats out here is bothering the mess out of me. So I had to put my Rambo bandana on. Because some of y'all going to call me, make me go medieval up on you. Me or somebody else. You don't want somebody else, you want me. Dang it, these gnats. Alright, have any kind of questions or concerns, put them in the comments below, or you can email me at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Let me see, did I forget anything? Put the Loctite on there, everything tightened up. It's got a misfire, so we got to let him know about the misfire. And definitely upgrade his oil. 5W20 or 5W30, whatever you're using, that ain't happening no more. Alright, this is Timmy from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, you know it, nobody can. Take it easy.